What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at MicroStrategy. Looking at things right here, MicroStrategy has been, doing very well. It's been rallying well, which is definitely something good to take note of right here. So, in terms of looking at the chart right here, nothing too much to realize other than the fact that MicroStrategy has broken out. It broke out of a serious downtrend, as we can see. So, we could see it clearly right here that MicroStrategy stocks has been in a massive downtrend for a very, very, very long time. And all of a sudden, we finally got that breakout we needed. So, we broke out, no major retest. We just, rallied massively. So, with the look of things right here, I would say that the best thing for us to expect right now from strategy is for us to still expect it to rally further. Yes, because looking at things right now, we've broken out and we are most likely going to be rallying all the way into this resistance at $203. So MicroStrategy, $203.5, very much possible. But the question right now is there a possibility that we're going to be breaking out of this level? I think yes, it is very possible for us to break above 205 and rally all the way as high as probably 330 to $320. Yep, that is definitely what I consider to be the case right now. And looking at how things are going right now also, you could see in terms of the headlines right here, if MicroStrategy Bitcoin binge over, what sellers pause means. So looking at the latest in the MicroStrategy Bitcoin saga has Michael Saylor pausing BTC purchases ahead of its Q1 earning release, with the CEO confirming no buys this week in a Sunday post on X, breaking a pattern of near continuous accumulation that made the company the world's largest corporate Bitcoin holder. So right now, there seems to be a pause in the buy of Bitcoin. Why that is happening, I do not know, but Bitcoin was trading near $78,000 at the time of the pause, leaving strategies 818,334 Bitcoins stashed with an unrealized gain of roughly $1.9 billion on a total acquisition cost of 61.8 billion. So the pause comes amid a bullish weekly open across crypto, with the total market cap up plus 1.7% in the past 24 hours, sitting at $2.73 trillion and a 24 hours trading volume of $88.6 billion. That is Bitcoin itself. And Strategy's Bitcoin machine and what STRC actually is. To understand why this pause matters, you need to understand how Strategy Bitcoin accumulation engine actually works. The company doesn't just buy Bitcoin with cash from operation. It raises capital by selling shares of MicroStrategy. It's Nasdaq listed Class A stock. It's Nasdaq listed Class A stock, and by issuing financial instruments like STRC, its perpetual preferred security. Think of STRC like a corporate IOU with a fixed coupon. Investors hand Strategy capital and in return receives an 11.5% annual dividend yield, which is crazy, which is very, very, very crazy. And, Strategy takes that capital and buys more Bitcoin. The module only holds together if Bitcoin appreciates faster than that 11.5% hurdle. The company is paying out more than its underlying asset is earning. There is a whole lot of things to say about STRC because 11.5%, and I think I also heard that you might not even earn that 11.5%. 11.5% is what you probably make when Bitcoin actually goes their way. But if Bitcoin doesn't go their way, I don't think you would even earn that 11%. So, that is definitely one of something cautious you need to take note of. But for now, I think I'm a strong believer of Bitcoin, and I think STRC, hopefully it does well. Hopefully nothing shakes MicroStrategy into selling Bitcoin, because even if he tries to sell one of the Bitcoins he's holding, it will definitely lead to a whole lot of crash in the market as a whole. So, I think that they just definitely what we need to understand. MicroStrategy has been down for roughly months, for roughly how many months, who knows? And right now we've gotten a breakout, and we still need to break above this level at 205. Once we are able to break above that level, then I can say we're actually ready to rally all the way to our next major resistance, which is, I think, $320. So without wasting much of your time right now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.